QuickBooks Pro and Premier have very limited options for user permissions compared to QuickBooks Enterprise. If you need more sophisticated user permissions, watch our Setup Users in QuickBooks Enterprise video. In this video, I will take you through the steps to set up a user in QuickBooks Pro or Premier. From the menu bar, select Company, Set up Users and Passwords, and then Set up Users. From the User List dialog box, select Add User. Enter your username and password, which is optional but recommended, and enter the password again to confirm. Now we will select the level of access to give Rayanne. We can give her all areas of QuickBooks, so this will provide access to everything in QuickBooks except those which require admin access. She can have selected areas of QuickBooks, which allows you to choose the options for access to which sensitive area of your QuickBooks data. And you can also give her the access of the external accountant, and this gives access to all areas of QuickBooks except sensitive customer data, such as credit card numbers. We want Rayanne to have selected access to specific areas within the software. Let's click Next. Choose a level of access for sales and accounts receivable. Your options are No Access, Full Access, or Selective Access to allow transaction creation only. Create and print transactions, or create transactions and create reports. I will choose Full Access. If you are uncertain about the limitations of a permission setting in QuickBooks Pro or Premier, I recommend you set it for the Create Only option, the highest level of security. Then log in as that new user and attempt to access an area the employee will work in or an area she shouldn't be in to determine if the permissions assigned provide the controls you need. QuickBooks will tell you what level of permission is needed for any task you attempt. Go through the rest of the dialog boxes, choose the level of access for purchases and accounts payable. We'll choose No Access. Next will be the checking and credit card. We will allow her to create transactions only. The next box is the time tracking, and we will not give any access. And then payroll and employee, we will allow her to create transactions and print reports. And then with the sensitive accounting activities, she can also create and print transactions. And sensitive financial reporting, we will give no access. And then we will click Next. Choose whether to allow your user to change or delete transactions in the areas that they have access to. Also choose whether this user can change or delete transactions that were recorded before the closing date. I will choose No for both. Click Next. On the final screen, you will see the 9 areas of user permissions along with their access to create, print, or run reports. Click Finish. You can always go back and edit your user permissions if needed. QuickBooks Enterprise is a better solution for companies who need more options of what their employees are able to see and do through users and roles. There is even a view-only option in QuickBooks Enterprise. These roles have 115 detailed user permissions. One role can be assigned to multiple users, or a single user can be assigned to multiple roles. Watch our next video to learn how to assign roles and grant or limit access to areas and activities in QuickBooks Enterprise, Enterprise Accountant, and Accountant. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You'll be alerted when I create another video just like this. And as always, thank you for watching my video.